Hey everybody, welcome to the second break. All right, welcome Cavs. We'll see what we can do for you. Hey, what's going on? Lake Show. Yes, I had asking about the random team box. Why can't I think tonight with the disco? It's a fast break hobby box. But yeah, I messaged you back on Instagram there. But I'll be doing. I've got a Instagram random $65 for 2 random teams. 15 slots. We got like 9 left. I just posted on Instagram if you guys are interested. But that's for a fast break Mosiac hobby box. And then once that's filled, I'll be breaking that and I'll message everybody when that's going live. And we'll do the 2 random teams live with the randomizer and everything. So if you're interested in that, just shoot me a message. And yeah, that should be a fun one. All right, Knicks. Okay, so we do have one unpaid team in this break. It's the Detroit Pistons. I'll give everybody a minute here, and then we'll start bidding on that. All right, Spurs. Oh, Matt, I'm ready. I'm ready for some NBA coming back here. It's exciting to have the season back. Nets and Wizards, all right? We'll give it another minute, and then we'll be auctioning off the Detroit Pistons. That's our unpaid team that we have. All right, let's see if we can get some Zion. Me too. I'm seriously excited for the scrimmages. I'm ready to watch, see how players are. Everyone seems to be getting injured already. I don't know if you saw that, but there was a lot of little injuries, so I'm thinking some time off. These guys might not have been playing a whole lot or whatever. Their body's got to get used to it and everything, but hopefully nobody gets majorly injured. There's a couple season-ending injuries already, and we're not even fully scrimmaging or anything yet, so hopefully no other injuries coming. Yep. Yeah, it's a big concern. And these guys are going to be doing their scrimmages, the short 8-game season into the playoffs, and then maybe play-in tournament, and then a short break into the next season then, or are they just going right into it? I don't know. But yeah, hopefully injuries aren't going to be an issue for some of these guys. All right, so we got the Detroit Pistons for an unpaid team for this break. So if anybody wants them, we can start off. We'll do the auction in here, and then we will do the auction, go into the highest bidder. You can just do like dollar increments. We'll start at $10, and then I'll put my PayPal in here. Once we get that paid, then we can start the break. So why don't we get that started right now? So Detroit Pistons, we can start at $10. Is anybody interested in them starting off for $10? All right, Lake Show. All right, you want $10? We're starting at for the Detroit Pistons. All right, Packs for Days, is that you? Are you doing $10 for the Pistons? All right, cool. All right, I'm going to do a countdown since nobody else interested. Going once. Going twice. Sold, you got it. All right. There's my PayPal. They went for 23 on eBay, so you got them at a discount. But yeah, that's my PayPal. So go ahead and send that over. Once I see that come through, then we can get started. Yeah, we could get a nice Sekou in there. All right, Cards fans, he Packs for Days end up getting that one. So yeah, contact at PrestonMedia.com. That's my PayPal, and you send that over. Once that's sent, we can go ahead and get started. Okay, great. Thanks. Thanks everyone for holding. What other teams has everybody got tonight? Has anybody had any of these, the NBA Hoops boxes? I haven't done one since before the season canceled with COVID and start back up. But yeah, they got an autograph or memorabilia card per box on average, 88 cards in here. So those memorabilia cards, those Christmas sweater ones, kind of cool. I want to try getting one of those. All right, Warriors. See if we can get some good ones. Awesome. Cool. Yep, I got it. Great. We can get started. Appreciate that. Let's go. Thanks, everyone, for holding. Let's get started with this. And start off with the cello pack first. Good luck, everybody. Perfect. Yeah, and just message me if your address doesn't match, like your shipping address doesn't match on PayPal. Just send me a private message if it's something different. Otherwise, I'll send it to the PayPal address. All right. Good luck, everybody. All right. Pistons with Markieff Morris. Draymond Green for the Warriors. Kelly Olynyk for the Heat. There you go. Nice start, Heat, or Bulls with Kobe White. Base rookie card green. That's a good one there. And Mari Stoudemire for the Suns, old school. And Dr. J going to 76ers, Hall of Fame. All right, Bulls, nice way to start off. Okay, Hornets with Devontae Graham. Marvin Bagley III for the Kings. TJ Warren for the Pacers. Jake Layman for the T-Wolves. And we got Amari Stoudemire, old school green to match your other one. Nice one, Suns. And Isaiah Roby, base rookie card, going to Mavericks. Great, thanks, Packs for Days. Appreciate it. All right, let's get this pink pack. Jaren Jackson Jr. for the Grizz. Buddy Hield for the Kings. And Kobe White base pink to match your green. Boom, there you go, Bulls. Nice start. Bulls starting off hot here. There you go. Double time there. Nice one. All right, let's go with the Mosaic Blaster first here. Yeah, that'd be nice. You get a good Sekou. You'll pay for your break on one card. All right, good luck, everybody. Valanciunas for the Grizz. TJ Warren for the Pacers. All right, Rockets. You got Give and Go, James Harden. Good one, Houston. An Ignis base rookie card going to the Knicks. All right, Raptors, Kyle Lowry. Wendell Carter Jr. for the Bulls. Bobby Portis, green for the Knicks. His face gets me every time on these. And Brandon Clark, NBA debut, going to the Grizz. No Zions yet. We started actually a little late because we had an unpaid, so we did a auction for that. So we just broke the cello and starting on the first box here. All right, Rozier for the Hornets. Ben Simmons for the 76ers. James Harden green got game going to the Rockets. And a Keldon Johnson base rookie card going to the Spurs. A couple of Hardens already for the Rockets. LeBron for Lakers or Cavs? We'll see. We'll go with both. Anyways, we'll try to pull both here. Lake Show. That's right. All right, we'll see what we can do here. Blazers with CJ McCollum. Jeremiah Grant for the Nuggets. Eric Bledsoe green for the Bucks. Larry Bird, Celtics, Hall of Fame. Yeah, or Heat. I haven't seen him come through on the Mosiac yet with the Heat, but he might be there. Been getting those MVPs for the Cavs. All right, Bruce Brown for the Pistons. Westbrook for the Rockets. What do we got here? Got game silver. Vucevic going to the Magic. We got Kevin Porter Jr. base rookie card going to the Cavs. Throw them up there too. All right. Celtics, Kemba. Bobby Portis for the Knicks. There you go, Heat. Tyler Hero, NBA debut, green. And Karl Malone, Team USA. There's a good one, Heat. All right, Markelle Fultz. Oh, man. Here we go. Another script we got coming up here. I just pulled one last break, too, in Mosiac box. Let's see if it's a rookie or a vet. We got veteran. No rookie scripts. We got green here. Daniel Theis. Congrats, Boston. There you go. You got an auto there. There you go, Boston. All right, Boston starting off good. And we got Blake Griffin, Will to Win for the Pistons, and Alexander Walker for the Pelicans, base rookie card. You have been pulling, let's see, the last, several breaks of these Mosiac box. I keep getting a script, so hopefully I can keep it going. Siakam for the Raptors. Gallinari for the Thunder. Gallinari again. There you go. Got your base and your green there for OKC. And we got a Rui debut. Nice one there, Wizards. That's what you're looking for. You had a Will to Win, Blake Griffin for the Pistons. That was it. There you go. All right. Let's get on for the next one. Let's see here. We'll do another blaster. Yeah, no problem. Making back that $10. Tell her you got a big break going on, man. Hey, welcome, Josh. Josh, did you have any in this one? All right. Good luck, everybody. D'Angelo Russell for the Warriors. Clint Capella for the Rockets. We got Karl Anthony Towns, will to win, going to the T-Wolves. And Patrick Ewing going to the Knicks Hall of Fame. It's Daniel Theis. I'll let you see it real quick. Hey, Preston Goods is in town, actually. So he might be making an appearance on one of these breaks this week. Bogdanovich for the Jazz. Derek Favors for the Pelicans. Russell Westbrook for the Rockets. There you go. You got a green. Nice one, Rockets. And Ignis, base rookie card, going to the Knicks. All right, Terrence Ross for the Magic. Daniel Theis to match that auto base card. Oh, there we go. Giannis Silver got game. Going to the Bucks. Nice one, Bucks. And then we got another Brandon Clark NBA debut. Two of them going to the Grizz. All right, let's keep it going. DeLon Wright for the Mavericks. Bertans for the Wizards. Damian Jones, Silver Waves for the Hawks. And Keldon Johnson for the Spurs, base rookie card. All right, Blake Griffin for the Pistons. Wesley Matthews for the Bucks. And we got a green, got game, Kyrie Irving going to Brooklyn. Nice one, Brooklyn. And Celtics with Larry Bird, Hall of Fame. Yep, I'm saving up all those Laker cards here for the last two boxes for you. Gotta make them big. Come on, Lake Show, let's go. Klay Thompson for the Warriors. Kevin Love for the Cavs. Dwayne Wade, green. Team USA there, going the Heat. And Kevin Porter Jr., base rookie card, going to the Cavs. Yep, we got to see some Zion yet. Rudy Gobert for the Jazz. Korkmaz for the 76ers. We got Jam Masters. Blake Griffin Jam Masters going to the Pistons. Then we got Karl Malone, Team USA. All right, last pack of the box. All right, Anthony Simmons for the Blazers. Thomas Bryant for the Wizards. Bobby Portis Green for the Knicks. And Alexander Walker base rookie card going to the Pelicans. All right, do you guys want to do the Mega Box or the NBA Hoops next? Which one do you guys want to do? I'll let you guys decide. Hoops next? All right, let's do it. All right, let's go back. We're doing Christmas in July with this box here. Let's hope for some big ones. There's 88 cards in this blaster. Okay. All right, good luck, everybody. All right, Fournier for the Magic. Hassan Whiteside for Portland. Ty Jerome, rookie card, going to the Suns. We got D. Wade going to the Heat. Dedmon going to the Kings. Might make me flip around here. All right, Anthony Davis for the Lake Show, frequent Flyers. Eric Gordon for the Rockets. And Chris Dunn for the Bulls. Buddy Hield for the Kings. Frankie for the Knicks. Siakam for the Raptors. Justin James, rookie card, going to the Kings. Marcus Morris going to the Knicks. And then we got Romeo Langford now arriving. That's a good rookie. Now arriving rookie card going to Boston. And we got Trae Young going to the Hawks. And Rozier going to the Hornets. Josh Okogie going to T-Wolves. Harry Giles going to the Kings. Dennis Smith Jr. to the Knicks. Hernandez rookie card going to the Raptors. Kevin Porter Jr. There you go, Cavs. Rookie card going to the Cavs. Kyle Lowry, lights, camera, action. That's going to the Raptors. Then we got Gerald Green going to the Rockets. And Otto Porter Jr. going to Chicago. Trevor Ariza going to the Kings. Tyler Johnson, the Suns. There we go. There you go, Memphis. John Morant. Nice one. We'll get him up there. There you go, nice one. And we just covered him up, but there you go. Tyler Hero going to the Heat. Nice one, Heat. And Jeremy Lamb going to the Pacers. We got John Collins going to the Hawks. And Langston Galloway for Detroit. Joe Harris going to the Nets. All right, Robinson going to the Knicks. Van Fleet going to the Raptors. Fultz going to Magic. Kobe White. There you go, Bulls. Another Kobe White for you. That's third one tonight. There's Bol. Denver Nuggets, you got Bol. And we got Mike Conley for for Jazz. Then we got Tim Hardaway Jr. for the Mavericks. And 76ers with Josh Richardson. All right, Wiggins for the T-Wolves. Bogdanovich for the Kings. There's a Zion. There you go. Big guy right there, Zion. There you go, Pelicans. Nice job, Pelicans. All right, Matisse going to Philly, rookie card. We got Mike Scott going to Philly. Ben Simmons, frequent flyers, going to 76ers. And Klay Thompson going to the Warriors. And end up with Lou Williams going to Clippers. All right, Jazz with Donovan Mitchell. Terrence Ross for the Magic. Derek Jones Jr. for the Heat. Caldwell Pope for the Lake Show. Then we got Shaq going to the Lakers as well. Another Ben Simmons going to Philly, lights, camera, action. Justin Jackson going to the Mavericks. And John Collins going to the Hawks. All right, Spurs with LaMarcus Aldridge. Alonzo Trier going to the Knicks. Chris Paul, we got going to OKC. Jordan Bone going to the Pistons. Carson Edwards, rookie card. There you go, Celtics. Another nice rookie. Tim Hardaway Jr. going to Mavericks. And Wendell Carter Jr. going to the Bulls. And Wilson Chandler going to the Nets. All right, yeah, let's get some more Lakers. Come on. Jeff Green going to the Jazz. Kelly Oubre Jr. going to the Suns. Derrick Rose going to the Pistons. J.R. Smith going to the Cavs. Another Romeo Langford for Celtics rookie card. There you go, Celtics. I think we got an arriving now coming. Yep. Let's see. Arriving now. Goga going to the Pacers. Nice one, Pacers. And Chris LeVert to the Nets. Austin Rivers going to the Rockets. All right, Raptors with Norman Powell. Jonathan Isaac for the Magic. Jackson Hayes, rookie card, going to the Pelicans. Anthony Simmons, going to Portland. Another rookie card, Jalen McDaniels, going to the Hornets. Oops, sorry about that. We got Jarrett Culver going to the T-Wolves. Nice rookie card there. Deion Waiters going to the Heat. And Reggie Jackson going to Detroit. All right, last pack here. I think we got a memorabilia in here, I think. Let's see, who's it gonna be? Josh Jackson going to Memphis. Ilyasova going to the Bucks. John Stockton going to the Jazz. I'll pull from the back. Courtney Lee going to the Mavs. Zubac going to the Clips. DeMar DeCarroll going to the Spurs. We got Wagner going to the Wiz for a final card of the box. Come on, big one here. Kevin Porter Jr. There you go, Cavs. Congrats. Kevin Porter Jr. going to the Cavs with the Christmas sweater. There you go, Cavs. All right, last box. Time for the mega box. Let's get some hits. All right, come on, let's get LeBron in here. All right, everybody. Good luck, everyone, and let's go. Starting us off, D'Angelo Russell going to the Warriors. Al Horford, the 76ers. LeBron James, but to the Heat. We got a winner stays, LeBron James going to the Heat. DeAndre Ayton going to the Suns. Man, hold the LeBron. Come on, we need a Laker LeBron. All right, Malik Monk going to the Hornets. Chris Middleton for the Bucks. Mike Conley, Express Lane, going to Jazz. And Romeo Langford, rated rookie, going to Celtics. Nice one, Celtics. All right, Jamal Murray, going to the Nuggets. Lou Williams, Express Lane. Got that silver. AD, there you go, Lake Show. Fantasy Stars. Got Anthony Davis. And Kyle Lowry for the Raptors. Yeah, Matt, I wasn't thinking about the Optic box. I was thinking about the... totally forgot I could do the Heat with the Optic. You called it. All right, Bam for the Heat. Clint Capella for the Rockets. Larry Bird, silver. Winner stays. Oh, there's that Kendrick Nunn. The no-name Kendrick Nunn that we've been seeing. There you go, Heat. So he's missing that name, that air print on there. Let's go. Mitchell Robinson for the Knicks. Harrell for the Clippers. We got Silver Fultz going to Magic. And D. Rose for the Pistons. All right, Rockets with James Harden. Tim Hardaway Jr. for the Mavs. There you go, Steph Curry, Express Lane. Nice one there, Warriors. Nicolo Melli, rated rookie, going to the Pelicans. All right, Clips with Lou Williams. James Worthy, gold, going to the Lake Show, winner stays. Pau Gasol, silver, going to Portland, looking tough. And Jared Allen going to the Nets. All right, last of the regular packs here. Come on. JJ Redick for the Pelicans. Dragic for the Heat. James Harden, T-321, going out to the Rockets. And Dylan Windler, rated rookie card, going to the Cavs. All right, time for these pink packs. Let's get a big one here. Knicks with Julius Randle. Kawhi Leonard for the Clippers. Nice one, Clippers. And Schofield, rookie rated, going to the Wizards. Ish Smith, going to the Wizards. There's a good one. Kevin Porter Jr., rated rookie, going to the Cavs. A couple of him tonight. Last pack. Good luck, everybody. Let's go. Rondo for the Lake Show. There you go, Rockets. Russell Westbrook. Luka. There you go, Mavs. Got Luka Doncic. There we go, coming Jelly for the Clippers, rated rookie. And Jeff Teague to finish us off for the T-Wolves. All right, everybody, that's it. Last break of the night. Appreciate everybody jumping in. And I got a next break on Friday. That's going to be, I'm going to actually have a few on Friday, but I got one listed already right now. And on Instagram, I got the random team, two-team random one slots for the Fast Break Mosaic Hobby Box. So thanks again, everybody. Hope everyone has a good night, and I'll see you all on the next break. Have a good night.